What's up guys? Behind me a beautiful 2016 Ford F-150 3.5 liter turbo engine. This vehicle, the owner complained the radiator fan is stuck running all the time. Here we inside the vehicle. As you can see right now, the key off. Of course, the radiator fan is not running. So they confirm the customer complaint. First, I will just turn the ignition on. I don't hear the fan running at all with the key on. So let's start the engine and see what's going on. As you can see, the engine running right now. Even I don't hear the fan run. Oh yeah, I heard the fan running very loud out there under the hood. So let's go out there and see how the fan running. Okay guys, here under the hood, engine running right now. You can hear in the video the fan is running. You can see fan running right there at high speed. Okay, confirm the customer complaint. Okay guys, back in the car, confirm the customer complaint. So what I would like to do now, and turn the engine on, and then go ahead and turn the ignition key back on, just like that. And of course, earlier you see when the vehicle with the key on, the fan no running at all, and it's just running when the engine running. What I would like to do to scan all the module and see what any related to cause the fan running. Okay guys, in this case I would like to run all the module in the vehicle and see any related code, fault code, and caught the fan running. We ran the healthy report, and as you can see, ABS, no fault code, blah blah blah, no fault code, no fault code. Seems to be good. And also the subresin factor, right? That's it, 72% now. I don't see any red color here. 100% now. Okay, as you can see, all the module here reading normal. So what caused the fan running when the engine runs? What I would like to do, I don't really know. This radiator fan is controlled by the fan control module, or the computer control the fan. I don't see any, I don't see. Okay, let me go to a powertrain control module. Okay, let me double check, read the fault code again. In the powertrain control module, as you can see, there is no BTC. Okay, I would like to go back to see some data in here in the powertrain control module related. Maybe the computer control the fan, radiator fan. Let me go with the data stream. Okay, as you can see, if the computer sees some information, get some information from the sensor, and will control the fan running at high speed. Okay, first I would like to do go for AC pressure sensor. Okay, AC air conditioner air conditioning compressor main stage. Yeah, air conditioning pressure sensor voltage and air conditioner request signal. Signal has temperature. Okay, here fan control high speed and control low speed. I think that's it, guys. Okay, as you can see, fan control low speed is off right now. Off as the key on engine off, and high speed also off the key on engine off. The vehicle just ran a little bit from the parking lot here, and air conditioning request 0 no, and pressure voltage 3.5 volt. But you can see up here, yeah, I got you guys a closer to the air conditioning pressure sensor PSI. Right now it's 407 PSI. That made no sense at all. Right now the engine off, no running. Why too high like that? Okay, let's start the engine and see. Okay, full while. Right now engine running. Yeah, the low speed turn on first, and high speed also on. As you can see right now the AC off, air conditioner request signal is up. Let me turn the AC on. Okay, as you can see, look at here. Let me see. You guys look at air conditioning request signal right now. No, because the AC off. Let me put it on. You have to say yes, but the compressor command state is on. Oh man, it's on and then up. Yeah, let me turn the AC off. Yeah, no signal. So, but the fan is still running when the engine temperature is not too hot. Okay, I would like to do, I set this sensor and to see what caused it very high pressure like this. First, we think about that sensor or inside the computer may measure wrong signal. Hopefully not. If the computer is reading high pressure like this when the sensor working fine, and maybe the big deal and not small deal at all. So with the scan tool and with the AC off right now, guys, I will go to under the hood and then disconnect the sensor and see the fan is stopped or not. Okay guys, a little bit loud in the video because the fan running at high speed and very loud right now, guys. Here is the sensor located to measure the freon pressure. Let's see, right now at 407 PSI, the voltage is 3.5 to almost 3.6 volt. So with this AC off and okay, let me disconnect the connector and see the fan is stopped or not. Okay, got it, guys. When I disconnect stick connector. So as you can see, the PSI dropped to 0 PSI and the sensor dropped to 0 volt. That means that this means the computer is okay. If we disconnect the connector, but here still reading no change at all on 400 something PSI and no change the voltage, that means the computer is sharp. Okay, so now we deal with this sensor and see what's going on. We missing ground, or I don't think we're missing the ground because we have the voltage here reading at 3.5 volt. If we're missing the ground, the sensor will read 5 volt right here. Okay guys, let me get all the electrical tool and we will check from here. With the ignition key on, I want to know which wire is a 5 volt reference, which wire is the signal, and which wire is the ground. So first I can put on the yellow and violet wire to the T-pin. As you can see, yeah, we have the ground. And what about the middle one? Yeah, the middle one is reading 0 volt. What about the yellow and green? Yeah, as you can see on the scan 2, the yellow green wire, that's a 5 volt. So back to the ground wire, here the ground. On my tool it's saying the ground, but don't believe that ground, guys. Right now I have my tap light connect to the battery positive.